Let's see. MC Passion is my name, aka Determination is stronger than witchcraft. Is here to one of our Ochuku kingdom, Allah the one of Yoruba land. Now, I dey miss Fashola. I no go lie for you. I dey miss Fashola. And I have peace and body. One con dey be like say he get Fashola spirit where the man no dey take nonsense. You don't want last man. No, they enter anybody motor anyhow. Like say una to follow money, una to join money buy am. The way last man they enter people motor for Lagos, they go be like say una to join money. They go just as I say, they enter. They don't look you like suspects. Fashola time, Fashola level of discipline got to a level that when I went to Ikoyi prison, they were taking me around the prison. They showed me the male prison, showed me the female prison. I can't see another small prison. What did they say? A goat. I asked the warder, what's the goat doing inside prison? He said, Fashola arrested the goat. I said, why? He said, they chop flower away Fashola plant for Lagos. The goat is there for prison for 4 months. They said to bail the goat now 12,000. The family of the goat no even bother to come because new goats now 8,500. Now the goat is awaiting trial. I don't know whether they will release them as a result of pity. Fashola's discipline was up to that level. And Fashola used one wisdom. You know, see Lagos when they turn to a place, dumping ground for frustrated people. If you realize your state don't frustrate you too much, you enter land of opportunity. So you come like say, Agbero, they increase. Fashola when they look, say, waiting for you this one. The kind wisdom where Fashola take convert Agbero to Lasma. Not be all the old Lasma official way see and their head correct. Some of them are retired Agbero people. That's why they want to do wahala with you. Eh? The day when one Lasma man they tell me, Kilo share, oh you go back in there, Kilo they go back in there. I can't speak English for them. What is wrong with you? Can't you see the diameter of the road with my car? Is that, do you have any turbulence in your brain? He said, yeah, she have a lot of answer. Into the bomb over here for one by me, sir. Show man, it's over there. Any commander I want to do, yeah, I am break back to back. I leave more to cross my road. And that time I say, but this one I retire and I go back. Now, you get some people who say they don't know say these are people, then they take rubbish. If you see them, respect them. They will come out your side mirror within 2 seconds. We just did one public transport one day. As the driver they go, and the Agbero man come, one man wear suit inside the motor. In Jeep Sport, you enter our public transport. And the Agbero just come for window. Oh boys. Oh fine boy. Oh mortuary. Oh wake keeping. Oh coffee. Oh yeah, shake your book back. 700. Oh yeah, shake ya. So the driver comes and more low mortuary. So the man just go buck nose. What is wrong with you? What is so mortuary? When will Lagos come to a better place for people to live? Driver, don't give him any money. Are you hearing me? Can you? I said, don't give him any money. Driver said, oh, hey, you understand, man, follow. I said, don't give him any money. And I go really like many way they interfere. I said, they hear, don't give him any money. That go look at him. Kilo, share. Shower, don't give him cleaning. Now the man turn like this. You get the kind slap where they go give you like this. You not go know when you start to say some things there for constitution. I said, tear the man slap. But kilo share, only don't give him kidney. No, I never knew it's government approved. No, I never knew it's government approved. Better slap. MC Passion is my name, aka Determination is stronger than witchcraft. I love you.